I'm pulled off on the side of the road here, Highway 22, also called Santiam Highway. On the right is the Blowout Road exit. On the left, you can see that Pacific Pride sign. We're just going to go around the Blowout Road exit here. And there's the Blowout Road sign, and it's hard to see, but the mile marker 53 is just below that. So this is Blowout Road. We're going to go up here and around this corner. Come to a bridge. There it is. And the two Hoover campgrounds, the Hoover Group Campsite and the full campground, are not too far past this bridge. But the first thing I wanted to show you was a couple of pullouts. Right here. This is an area where there's a lot of parking. I think we can fit probably 10 vehicles in here if we do front end parking. And so that's pretty close to where we want to be. And then the next place has fewer spots, but you can see that truck up there that's parked. This one's going to be parallel parking, I think. Just here on the side of the road. We can get a few front-end cars parked here. And then Hoover Group site sneaks up on us, so we got to be careful and watch for it. Right here. The sign is sideways to the road, so parallel to the road. Anyway, it's right here. This is Hoover Group site, and we should probably put some signs or balloons or something up here so people can see it.